Hello everyone, you here, welcome to my new video. So today I'm not in my usual place, I'm in the office because I have a little, or should I say a huge box for you today. Yeah, I apologize in advance because this video is going to be a little bit shaky. I'm using single hand to open this box, to display this device, and will probably not be able to do my usual stuff, but I will talk to you about this second device in the CRS354 family. The product name should be in the title. Sorry, I don't know that out of my head right now, but as you can see, it's quite a big thing. Actually, MikroTik logo is bigger than my hand, so that should explain you how big this device is and also how expensive this is, because let's see what protection do we have inside of this box. And yes, we do have a lot of protection, not a standard MikroTik packaging, you see. Protection here, protection from all of the side, and also, yeah, I can feel it even underside. So, what do we have in the box except the device? Huge this device. It's a MikroTik manual. Unfortunately, single power supply cable, which indicates that we have only single power supply. Yeah, we'll talk about this later. We have this interesting packaging with the accessories. We have direct mount ears. Also we have these great plastic clips that you can mount in front of the device that serve as a cable guide. All CRS354 comes with this. I was not able to show you that on the previous non-PoE version CRS354 because I did not have the packaging, but yes, they do come with all of them, so take that into account. There's also something else inside, but yeah, I'm single-handed and I will not be able to open it. Looks somewhat like additional railing. Need to take that look in that. Maybe on the MikroTik side it's mentioned. Let's take it out. It's really heavy. Yep, not really easy with single hand. But yeah, I did it anyway. As you can see, additional packaging. It is $1,000 MSRP, so yeah. I will not take it out of this plastic cover because it's a little bit too hard or maybe I will do it for you guys. Just give me a second. Let's try. I don't want to rip it, but also it's not cooperating much. It is a little bit heavy. Actually, why don't you guys wait a second here while I do the unboxing. Okay, I did manage to do it. So the front of the device looks a little bit different than the non-PoE version because we have additional PoE LEDs. You can see the two markings, so our standard markings for the MikroTik PoE. 48 1 gigabit PoE ports, great stuff, with our 4 SFP plus ports and also two QSFP 40 gig ports. We have also management and console port, reset button, and power and fault LEDs. That's the front. On one side we have ventilation intakes, so two of them. On the other side we also have ventilation intakes, and also these holes, ventilation holes that do look like fan, but I'm not so sure. This is different than the other one. And at the back we also have more ventilation holes and single power supply connection, because this is single PSU. Unfortunately, this is not the greatest thing ever. Yeah, only single power supply, but let's talk about specs. Actually, this device has 700 watts of PoE power, so it's great. Other specs: QCA 9531 CPU, the standard 650 MHz single core, 64 megabytes of RAM, 60 megabytes of flash, pretty much like other CRS354. Router S license is level 5, and let's talk about dimensions, because this is huge unit. So 443 millimeters of width, 382 millimeters of depth, and 44 millimeters of thickness. Yeah, huge. And let's turn back to the PoE. If you are using PoE device that uses the voltage between 30 and 57 volts, you have maximum output per port of 570 milliamps. Or if you're using something between 18 and 30 volt, you have maximum on 1 amp output. So take that into account. And also the maximum consumption of the device when you're utilizing full 700 watts of PoE is 800 watts. So take that into account. Make sure you do have enough power for this device, or you will kill your circuit breaker. Yeah. Unfortunately, yes, only single power supply. I would like to see the double power supplies, probably hot swappable. This would be great for the PoE switches, but unfortunately not. So this is my quick unboxing of CRS354-48P-4S+2Q+. That's all from me, from Evil. If you like this video, like it, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. And again, sorry about this quick video, but yeah. Bye.